know one of the primary examples that Christ set when he was in the earth? It's a saying, a scripture. It says, we're in the world, but we are not of the world. Well, if you want a really good example of what that means, once again, you can look at the person of Christ and the example that he set. He was not reliant on the political systems. He was not dependent upon the approval of the people. He was not depending on the substances of the world to sustain him. He was not looking to be embraced by everyone. Matter of fact, the word says he was in the world, and the world was made by him, and the world knew him not. He came unto his own, and his own received him not. In Isaiah 53, it says he was despised and rejected of men, a man of sorrows and acquainted with grief. And we hid, as it were, our faces from him. He was despised, and we esteemed him not. But surely he hath borne our griefs and carried our sorrows, yet we did esteem him stricken, smitten of God, and afflicted. But he was wounded for our transgressions, he was bruised for our iniquities. The chastisement of our peace was upon him, and with his stripes we are healed. And it's interesting because he was walking in the world, had all power. He could walk on water. He could speak to the winds and the waves. He was transformed before the disciples. He fed thousands with a few fish and loaves, demonstrating that the power that he had was real and that he was in the world, but he was really not of this world. And he gave that example to Peter, James, John, Andrew, Philip, Thomas, Bartholomew, Matthew, James, Simon, Judas, and Judas Iscariot. So they know, as I walked, you walked in the world, but you don't have to be of this world. Choose how to walk. Look at Christ's example and follow it.